TAL required an AS2 communication solution to securely exchange messages with one of the largest apparel companies in the world on behalf of its customers.
The support from MFT Gateway is excellent. They assisted us in setting up everything, and we got it set up and running in just hours, not days. This is our third year using MFT Gateway's service, and we never experienced any issue or downtime. We are very pleased to have moved to MFT Gateway, and MFT Gateway gives us complete peace of mind without having to worry about upgrading the hardware, software, security, etc. We highly recommend MFT Gateway to any company which requires exchanging EDI messages with their trading partners.
Exchange your AS2 messages with MFT Gateway. Sign up for the 30-day free trial.